Smart power. If you are unable to access your receiver because you have forgotten your PIN, you can manually restore the receiver to the default factory settings. But please be careful because all data, including the site code, will be lost. To manually reset, switch off the power. Press and hold both the A and B buttons and switch the power back on. Keep the A and B buttons held down until the message shows. Wait for the Restore Factory Settings message before continuing. Then press A to confirm when prompted. Press A to enter a new site number. And B to confirm. Press B again to confirm. Next, enter a new PIN. Press A to choose and B to select. The receiver will display the new PIN. Press B to confirm or A to change.